As a makeup artist, you're continually learning and practicing. The hardest part is finding a model to practice on. You can only do it at night? I guess that's okay. Oh, hi, hey! You didn't have to wear makeup.
What makeup?
Sometimes you just gotta take what you can get. With over 40 years experience, there isn't anything I haven't seen. Okay, all right, just I want you to look right into me. Okay, all right. At the Makeup Artist Workshop, we'll teach you everything you need to know to be a working makeup artist. For example, I'll teach you set etiquette, how to work with a talent, what to say and what not to say. Look at, geez, you're a bit pale. Yes, we'll even teach you how to make fake blood. That's great. That looks really good. Okay. Hey, there was a bottle of blood on the table. Did you take it? Did you take it? Well, put it back.
No.